Alexa, what does a burp sound like?
Welcome to Super Burp. That was a deep burp. You could ask for an accidental burp next time. Shall we continue our journey through the land of burps?
Yes.
Sometimes soda burps are a bit nasty. That was one of those times. If you enjoyed that, why not ask for a sick burp next time? Shall we keep going and see what comes up?
Yes.
That was a short burp. You could ask for a nasty burp next time. Do you want to see what else is rumbling in my jungle?
Yes.
Not sure how happy I am with that. It started slowly and never really got going. If you enjoyed that, why not ask for a deep burp next time?